2009 Silverado with a cam. This is what it sounds like factory. Go ahead. Again. Here's sound decibels. Again. So it's right at 87. Go ahead. All right, guys, we got a 2009 Chevy Silverado Z71 5.3 liter V8. It's got a cam in it, a baby cam, I think. Not that big of a cam, but it's got a cam. Anyways, what we got done on it, this was the old stuff that was on it. 2 converters, they were clogged up. 3rd converter, and then this is the assembly. That's how they come from the factory. And what we did is we took all that off and replaced it with 2 high flow cats, MagnaFlows. They're in there, part number 5400 or 54055s. There'll be a link in the description for them, there and there. Then we got 2 1/4 pipe on each side and true dualed it all the way back. Then spun cats, 2 high flow spun cats, as you guys can see there. So it's got a total of 4 now, but they're independently all the way back true dualed. Then we ran also 2 1/4 out the back into 2 Dynomax race bullets, 24 250s. There will be a link in the description for them. And then we dumped it down right before the rear end. Right there, there it is. Full complete system with dumps. Look at that, right there. It's really nice, really clean. So there's the bullets, there's the spun cats, high flows, and there's the MagnaFlows, high flows also. So it's a full new system, completely done. Came out really beautiful, really clean. And there's the old muffler and tailpipe that were on it that we cut off also. So, complete new system. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Much better. Nice. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 111. Again. Let you guys hear on the inside. Silverado 5.3 true duals, high flow cats, Dynomax race bullets, dump.